Go.
Housekeeping, housekeeping, housekeeping. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Shana Alberta from the Laundry Department. I'm here for your laundry request. May I know if you are Miss Marjorie Cole for laundry room?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you very much, ma'am. May I know, ma'am, if you are done filling up your laundry form? No. Okay, ma'am, here is your laundry form. Can you fill it out? May I know, ma'am, if where I could find your laundry items?
There the bed.
Stop first.
Camera.
Ma'am, please allow me to come to check your laundry item. Upon checking, ma'am, you have two t-shirts, two underwears, two shorts, and two denim pants. And they were all damage free. Do you have any special instruction for your clothes, ma'am? And how do you like your clothes to be washed? It is machine wash, hand wash, or dry cleaning?
Machine wash.
How about your clothes to be delivered? It is hung or folded?
Folded.
Okay, ma'am, what kind of delivery service would you like to avail? We have express delivery service wherein your clothes will be delivered after 3 hours, but with an extra charge of 500 pesos. We also have regular service wherein your clothes will be delivered after 8 hours, but has no extra charge.
I choose express delivery service.
Okay, ma'am, your total amount to pay is 2,850 pesos, wherein 2,350 pesos is for laundry service and 500 pesos on extra charge. How would you like to settle your account, ma'am? It is cash or charge upon checkout?
Choose charge upon checkout.
Okay, ma'am, please allow me to repeat your laundry. You have two shirts, two underwears, two shorts, and three denim pants. Your clothes will be delivered machine wash and is to be delivered folded. This will be also be delivered via express delivery service.
Go.
Your account will be settled via charge upon checkout with total amount of 2,850 pesos. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes.
Please sign here, ma'am. Your clothes will be delivered after 3 hours.
Thank you, ma'am. Kaya bumasunod na. Okay, thank you.
Once again, ma'am, I am Shana Alberta. Thank you for choosing our service and have a pleasant day. Thank you, ma'am.